Okay guys, now we're going to work on pages 20 and 21 of the science workbook. In this first exercise, it says, where do animals and plants live? Look and scramble and write. So we have these four pictures and we have these words that are all scrambled. So let's see number one. See the picture number one? So the answer is forest. Let's see number two. I know that you know what number two is. Yes, it's the ocean. So we are going to write the word ocean here in number two. Okay, on number three, as you can see, is the desert. So these words that are all scrambled, we have to unscramble them and write the word desert. And write it, put it right here. And number four, that's the word that I told you before, that is land partially covered with water. Yes, it's a wetland. So we're going to write the word wetland here. Okay. So there you go. Now we have exercise 1. In number 5, dice, they are all. What do you think that these are all? They are all habitats. That's right. So we're going to write the word habitats like this. Okay, we're ready. Now, on exercise number 2, it says, what do you know about the things in the photos? Look, read, and write. Okay, we have these pictures. This is a coral. This is a cactus. This is an alligator. And this is a deer. And these here are, this from 1 to 4 is information about this. So we are going to write it here. Let's read number 1. It lives in the wetlands. It eats meat. It's dangerous. Obviously, it is an alligator. Let's read number 2. It lives in the forest. It eats plants. What do you think from this that lives in the forest? Yes, a deer. So we're going to write the word deer right here. Let's see number 3. It's in the ocean. Fish live near it. Yes, of course, it is coral. What else could it be? Coral. And number 4, it says it's in the desert. It doesn't need a lot of water. Of course, a cactus doesn't need a lot of water and it lives in the desert. So we're going to write the word cactus. Now we have page 20 ready. Let's go to page 21. It says, read about habitats in Australia and circle. And we have a reading tip. It says, read the text quickly to look for the information you want. This is called scanning. Okay, we're going to read. Come and visit Down Under. You will find 4 different habitats. New South Wales has more than 20,000 wetlands. They provide habitats to a lot of animals. Be careful though. Some of the animals, for example, the alligators, are dangerous. How do we know that it's alligators? Because deer are not dangerous. Okay. There are 10 deserts or forests in Australia. Okay, deserts. There are 10 deserts. In Australia, the Great Victoria is very hot and there isn't a lot of rain, so there aren't many plants. But cactuses, because cactus live in the desert, are able to grow there. Australia has 2.5 million square kilometers of forests. In parts of Tasmania, South Wales, and Victoria, you can see red, white, or black deers because deers live in forests. Deers in forest. The Pacific, Southern, and Indian are the three oceans around Australia. Many species of fish live there. See? These words like fish and forest, those are the words that we use to know what the answers are. Okay, let's go to exercise 4. It says, look at 3, this is 3, and what do these numbers relate to? Write the words. For habitats, it says here that you will find 4, see, acá, 4 very different habitats. Okay, number 2, 3. What do we have with the number 3? Let me see. There are 10. No. There are 10. There are 3. 3 oceans. The 3 oceans. See? So we're going to write the word oceans. Uh, 20,000. Let's see. 20,000. Look, it says more than 20,000 wetlands. So we're going to write the word wetlands. Right here. And 2.5 kilometers of forests. So we're going to write the word forests. Okay, so now we have exercise 4 ready. Let's go to exercise 5. Imagine that you live in Australia. What can you see in the different habitats? Right. It says, when I'm in the desert, I can see cactuses. When, okay, you are going to write 3 sentences based on this reading, okay? If you have questions, you can ask. We can talk via Cloud Campus, or you can write a message directly to my cell phone. Okay? Thank you.